Verizon Fios TV fixes top FAQs answered and solved fast. Why is my Verizon Fios TV not working? Check connections and power. Reset the router and set-top box. Contact support if issue persists. How do I reset my Verizon Fios TV box? Unplug the power cord for 15 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait for the reboot. Why is my Fios TV remote not responding? Replace the batteries. Ensure the remote is in TV mode. Reprogram if necessary. How can I fix Fios TV pixelation issues? Check cables for damage. Restart the set-top box. Contact support if pixelation continues. What should I do if my Fios TV has no sound? Ensure the TV and set-top box volume are up. Check audio cables. Restart the set-top box. Conclusion: resolving Verizon Fios TV issues can be simple with the right steps. Follow the troubleshooting tips discussed in this blog. Check connections, restart devices, and update software. Contact customer support if problems persist. Reliable TV service enhances your viewing experience. Keep this guide handy for future reference. Enjoy seamless entertainment with Verizon Fios TV. Happy watching!